Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Demistifying Guitar Series with me Madhenge. And today, as promised in the previous lesson, we are going to look at fingerstyle using arpeggios. And the song that you're going to use This City by Sam Fisher. This song has a very unique and specific rhythm that is played throughout the song, and it uses arpeggios. And what are arpeggios? Arpeggios, they are the notes of a chord that are played in a rapid succession, either ascending or descending. Those are arpeggios. Just picking out a few notes of a chord. Simple as that. The song is initially done in the key of D, but I'm going to teach you the fingerstyle arpeggio in the key of G because it is easier to transpose the key of G as compared to the key of D. The chords for the song, especially the chorus, they are a C, which is a 4, a G, which is a 1, an E minor, which is a 6, and a D, which is a 5. So this is how the rhythm sounds like, and I'm sure you've already heard it during the introduction of the video. So that is the verse. All verses of the song are played that way. Then we get the chorus goes like a C to a G, then an E minor to a C. So let me come closer to the camera and show you how that arpeggio is done. So I use my middle finger, that is my second finger, and my third finger, the ring finger, and I'm in the third fret. I use my second finger to hold the string number 5, and I use my ring finger to hold string number 2. That string number 5 and string number 2 of the same fret, that is fret number 3. Then I play them together, both of them. Then the next part is pluck the first string with your any finger that you're comfortable with. I use my second finger. So you get that ting, ting. After that, we use our second finger again to hold string number 6 of the third fret again. So, and we play something like, we play the 6th string and the open second string together, together. So we have this. Again, our second finger holds string number 5 of fret number 3, and our third finger holds string number 2, the same fret number 3. Then I play them together. Then immediately after plucking, I use my middle finger to pluck string number 1. So, ting, ting. Then I take my second finger, place it on my 6th string of the third fret. Then I play the 6th string and the second string, which is open. So together you have slowly ting, 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 ting. So this is played 3 times. Yeah, 3 times. Then we have an ending for that arpeggio, that fingerstyle. and we play an open 5 string and an open 2nd string, both open, played at the same time. Then immediately use your ring finger to hold string number 2. So immediately open both strings, string number 5 and string number 2. Then the last part is using your first finger, place it on string number 3, fret number 2, and then you're going to pluck string number 4 and string number 3 simultaneously. That's the voicing. So that last part goes like again, again. So that arpeggio with the verse goes something like this. I've been seeing lonely people in crowded rooms, covering their older breaths with new tattoos. It's all about smoke trains and cigarettes, looking through low lights at silhouettes, but all I see is lonely people in crowded rooms. So that's how the verse goes. Then the chorus, we're going to use a C, C, G, then E minor, then D. And all together goes something like this. City's gonna break my heart. City's gonna love me, then leave me alone. City's got me chasing stars. It's been a couple of months since I felt like I'm home, and now I'm getting closer to knowing where I belong. The city's gonna break my heart. Break my heart. The city's gonna break my heart. Break my heart. And that's it for The City Is Gonna Break My Heart by Sam Fisher. That's how you can play the verse and play the chorus. Then you can make it better, do your own thing, have your own ad-libs. Yeah. So drop a comment. You can request a song that you want a fingerstyle for, and I'll gladly do it. I wish you a nice time. Thank you for tuning in. Share this video with a friend to help another friend who wants to become better at this. Thank you and have a nice time. Bye bye.